So what we're going to do to test is we're going to connect one end, the end with the terminal, or like I said, something that paper clip will do, to the harness that goes to the oil pressure sender or sensor. Put the terminal inside the harness, and then connect the other alligator clip to a ground place in the engine compartment. And when you do that, as you can see, we now have two lights, which means that it is not the bulb at all, but it is the sensor itself. So that means the sensor needs to be replaced. And well, you can't see it, I'll be removing the ground and touching it back and forth just so you can see that it's actually the ground lead.